see here, express 5005 as a product of its prime factor. So before going to find out the prime factors, you should have knowledge about odd number and even number. So your even number means what? Those numbers are divisible by 2, and that number is what? Even number. And those numbers are divisible by, not divisible by 2 are called what? Odd number. Or else, in short, if in the unit place if you see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then you can say the number is what number? Even number. And if you see in the unit place 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then you will say the number is what number? Odd number. Okay, now to find out the prime factor, if your number is even, that time you have to divide with 2, and if your number is odd, that time you have to first check with 3. If it is divisible, okay. If it is not divisible, then next you have to try with 5, okay. And again, if it is not divisible, then next you have to try with 7, and you have to go on. Okay, then if you see here, your 5005, it is your what number? It is your odd number. Why? Because in the unit place, how much is there? 5 is there. Okay, you see in the unit place how much? 5. So because of this 5, it become now what number? Odd number. Now odd number means what I told you, that you have to check with 3. How to check with 3? You see, you have to add all the digits. Okay, 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, how much you will get? You will get 10. Now this 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so it means what? Your 5005 also not divisible by 3. Okay, then next is what you have to check with 5. If your unit place 0 and 5 are there, 0 or 5 anyone, then that number is divisible by 5. So yes, if you see here in the unit digit, okay, in the unit place how much? 5. So it means you can divide this number by 5. If you divide by 5, 5 will go how many time? 1 time. Okay, and then 0 will come down as it is, then 5 again 1 time. Again, our number, it is a odd number. Okay, our number is a odd number. If it is odd number means what? We have to check with 3. Already we check it is not divisible. Now with 5 also it is not divisible. Why? Because in the unit place it is 1, not 0 or 5. So next number is 7. You have to divide with 7. So with 7 you see 10. 10 how many time? 1 time. Then if you see here, the remainder is how much? 3. 3 and 0, 30. 30 how many time? It is here with 7 it is 4 time. Then again remainder is 2. 2 and 1, 21. So how many time with 7? It is 3 time. Now again you have to check this number. Now it is not divisible by 7, then it is divisible by 11. Okay, with 11, 14, how many time it will go? 1 time. Then there will be remainder 3. 3 and 3, 33. How many time? It will go 3 time, because 3 into 11 how much? 33. Okay, so now 13 is a prime numbers. Now we cannot factorize. Okay, so your answer now, what answer we got? Therefore prime factor of which one? 5005 is equal to what we got? We got 5 into 7 into 11 into at last 13.